Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now here scroll down and click on separate app sound and then click on turn on now. Now here click on select to select apps in which you want to use separate sound, and here you will see the list of apps in which you hear sounds. You can select multiple apps, and if you don't find the app you want to use in separate sound, then click on add app, and from here you can add any app. So that's how you can use the separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.